What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, Oreo released these new Ultimate Chocolate Oreos, and today we're going to use these to make a vegan Ultimate Chocolate Cake. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 pack of Ultimate Chocolate Oreos. If you are watching this at a time these aren't available, then maybe they'll bring them back one day, but if not, any kind of Oreo will work. 3 different kinds of vegan chocolate cake mix. Something to make the cake mix. So I have some applesauce, some oil, and some water. And 3 different kinds of vegan chocolate frosting. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. It did come apart some, but I think that just adds character. And here we have our vegan Oreo Ultimate Chocolate Cake. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.